name is Ty. The name of the captain is Georgie. The name of the boat is Sweden. Yeah. Here is the barefoot Manta Rays.
Hola!
Hola! Welcome home.
Cheers, brother. Where are you taking us, brother?
How are you, bro?
Good, how are you, bro?
Good.
Good, good. How was the journey, George?
A bit choppy.
Bit choppy, yeah, a bit choppy today. But hopefully the sun comes out later. This is owned by the same company that owned the first place, Barefoot Quatter.
Are you just assuming?
No, someone told me. Barefoot Quatter. Have a go on that volleyball net later, George. Hola, naka naka. So this is where they do all the Manta Rays stuff. Like there's like a passage between this island and then the Manta Ray island. So this is Barefoot Manta Ray and the other one's Manta Ray. And there's a passage, and in the mornings big manta rays swim through, so hopefully we're going to try and see some tomorrow. But they're like massive, so I think I'll definitely be doing it. I think Georgie will also be doing it too. So just in our dorm now, we've got 2 bottom bunks.
Yeah, we've just been debating top or bottom.
Yeah, but we've gone with Georgie there, me there, and a great view. Hopefully we're going to snorkel out later, which will be good fun.
Okay, so it is lunchtime. I've opted for a ham and cheese toastie off of the kids menu as I'm a picky eater. Max has ordered a beef curry, which is on
Beef
its way.
curry, yeah, hopefully it's coming soon. Wind's died down, and it's got more sunny, so we're going to go for a swim after. Should be nice. Looks good, that food, actually,
Yeah.
doesn't it? How are the chips, George? Go on, give us one.
Nude sauce.
Decent. Beef curry's just arrived. Gonna dig into this. Looks lovely, actually. A few poppadoms, whatever that is. Salsa, is it? What do you reckon, George? That is well nice. Found a little shaded spot. Oh, geez, I'm a bit burnt. Found a little shaded spot to chill for a bit. How you doing, George?
It's very hot.
Very
I
hot.
don't really know where to swim, 'cause it's so like.
So shallow because it's like low tide over here, so I think we have to hit this dark blue region. But we're gonna go explore there, and then we're gonna have a dip in the drink. So we've decided to exit the water and have a look at the Manta Ray passage, which is just this. It gets really windy the other side, but this is where the mantles will be at high tide. It's low tide right now, but I might give it a go at like 5 PM or 6 PM when the tide's high. Slippery rock. We needed that down there. Nearly just slipped twice. So this is the passage. Hopefully you can still hear me. It's very, very windy through the passage, but that's where we'll be tomorrow, on this island, Manta Ray Island, and then that's where you see the mantas all along here. We've just gone and swam in that little bit there. Some amazing fish. One fish kept on saying hi. Just spotted a huge crab. Where is it? Went down here. See if we can see it. Oh, it's down there. These are moving, what the hell? Georgie's having another swim, and I've just seen a tiny fish in this little rock pool. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Decided I'm going to go for a bit of a free dive. if you hit the dark blue water, there's like the drop and then the reef ridge. So I'm gonna see if I can spot anything cool out there. Just saw a massive shark. I think it's a black tip shark, but it's bigger than the other ones I've seen before, so I was scared, but it swam away. Just in the middle of the passage between Manta Ray Island and then Barefoot Manta Ray Island. I'm heading in, but it was a good free dive session. I'm just out there and I was swimming in the middle of that passage there. I got in all the way over there and then I've been all the way around and I only spotted that one shark, but I'll be going back in later and hopefully at high tide I can see a manta ray.
So we're just about to go for a kayak. Water's looking very still. Just had to come in because we were having a bit of a crisis.
We were having issues. We were floating all the way out there. Georgie thought she was going to die.
You thought you were going to die.
We both thought we were going to die.
The kayak was just like being drifted out, like the current was so strong. And
yeah.
It wasn't pleasant.
It wasn't safe. We were hoping to go all the way over there, but we ended up like out here, or like just here. How do you feel, George?
Not good.
Not good, she says. So kayaking all done now, we've just come in, put the drone up, which is pretty cool, got some cool shots of us running into the water and Georgie chilling in it. The shot was also pretty cool, but it swam off pretty quickly. Very windy now, so we've just shut up, or not very well, but we've tried to shut up the doors.
Temporarily.
Yeah, temporarily, because it's very windy in it, George.
Yeah,
but
it's so windy. Cold.
yeah, it's cold now, but we're gonna go for some food. Yeah, so hopefully it's nice. I don't know what's on the plate tonight, but what do you reckon, George?
What's on the plate?
What's on the plate? What's on the plate, George?
Probably some menu that's not very good.
Probably some menu that's not very good, she says. Hopefully it's decent. You'll find out now. Georgie wanted to show you guys something.
So when I was having my shower in here earlier, there was this little lizard. And he was like here with me the whole time. He was really cute, like a proper little lizard. And his little tail was just there, but he was moving around like throughout the whole time I was in the shower. Oh,
he's kind of cute.
He's moving, he's moving. Are we scaring him?
Yeah, we are. Let's go.
Okay, I didn't know whether he wanted saving.
No, he's okay. They're trying kava, which we tried last night. Only there's a queue of about 100 people there, so we're not going to try it again, but hopefully they're enjoying it. Dinner time. Just grabbing dinner now. There's a ceremony still on all the way over there, but just grab dinner and then we're going to head in and get to bed. But like and subscribe, and tomorrow we're going to be doing a, hopefully anyway, searching for manta rays. If not tomorrow, it'll be the day after. Good morning, guys. I'm still on Barefoot Manta Ray Island, just on the back side of the island now, where it's a lot more calm. But I'm going to try and find some mantas today. I've just heard that they're out there in the passage, so I'm going to get my fins on, get my mast there, and I'm going to go try and find some. There you go, successfully found a manta ray. You're not allowed to get too close to them, so I had to stay at the surface, but hopefully I got it on video. This is where I am. That's Manta Ray Island, that's Barefoot Manta Ray Island, that's Manta Ray Island. Right, so I'm back to land now. That was me going out free diving to try and find a manta ray. Tomorrow we're heading over to that island, which is Manta Ray Island, and hopefully we're going to find some more. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.